Alright, so in this video I'll show you guys how to get free delivery on Doordash. But if this video helped, be sure to subscribe and like, and watch this video to the end, as I will show you every important step. So first thing you want to do is just go to couponfollow.com. Once you're here, it's going to give you a deal like this. Now once you're here, you can see all these coupon codes that you can get. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to get free on Doordash. So first thing you want to do is just go to the search bar, and all you have to type in is just Doordash. Once you're here, it's going to bring you to this page. You'll either have to select the first one or CA. CA means that you're from Canada, so only select this if you're from the United States. Once you're here, it's going to give you all these coupon codes, but what you want to do is scroll all the way down till you see get 40% off. Click on the first thing. Now click on show coupon code. Once it's here, it's going to show you this coupon code. Now you can just copy and paste it. Once you have it copied, all you have to do is just go to the Doordash and order, and now just copy in the code.